Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today is day 3 of week 2. Today is Wednesday, the 8th of April. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started, guys. You already know that this part of our practice is independent. You have about 10, 12 minutes. You should be getting faster at this. This is your multiplication table. You can go ahead and pause the video and come back once you are ready. Okay, guys, so as you return, we're on our daily skill practice. We're still working with division. If you remember from yesterday, we were working with 3 dividends. And on Monday, we were working with 2 dividends. Today, we are working with 4 dividends right here. Okay? Division, guys, it's the same thing. You're still going to divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Nothing changed. The only thing that changed, guys, was that we added an extra number at the end. Okay? It's the same steps, the same practice, guys. It just repeats one more time, okay? Don't forget that you need your multiples first before you divide. All right, so at this moment, guys, you can pause the video. This should take you about 20, 25 minutes at the most, and then come back once you are ready, okay? Let's go ahead and pause. All right, guys, so as you come back, we are on our anchor chart. This is not in your packet, but this is the anchor chart just for me to help you out, guys, really quick with what you are going to see in today's practice. So in your practice, guys, you are still working with division and multiplication, but it's getting a little bit harder. Now it's two-step. Two-step is something that we had trouble with in class, so we're just going to continue to practice through our distance learning, okay? So the first thing I want to cover, guys, is two-step multiplication and division with remainders, okay? The first thing we're going to do. All right, so I already gave you a small story. We're going to look at the story and see how we can solve it. It says Marco has 3 boxes, okay? Each box has 9 pillows. He put an equal amount of pillows into 7 containers. How many pillows are left? Oh, so notice, guys, that I'm talking about remainders here. A remainder, guys, is whatever is left over. So let's say we have a pizza, and in that pizza we have 8 slices. And if you have 3 friends, you want to make sure that each friend has an equal amount of pizzas, right? But you're going to have a remainder of slices. You're going to have something left over. So think about that, guys, as you're working on the problem. Okay, so this is how we're going to solve this. Is there something here that I can draw? Yes. Can I draw my boxes or my pillows? What do you know? What do you know you have? Do you know how many pillows you have right now? No, but you do know how many boxes you have. So you know what? I'm going to draw my boxes. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to label them. These are my boxes. What do you know about each box? Well, each box has 9 pillows. How can I find out what the total of my 9 pillows is? Can I add them 9 plus 9 plus 9? Yes. Is there a faster way? Yes, there is a faster way. What is it? 9 times 3. Okay? So now you're going to multiply 9 times 3. What do you get, guys? 27. 27 what? Pillows, right? We want to label what it is. It's 27 pillows. Now, am I done? Are they asking how many pillows does Marco have in total? Nope, I'm not done, right? This is my first step. This is my first step. So now I want to know how many are left. Well, if he had 27 pillows and he put them into 7 containers, what do you think you have to do? Now, this is what you can do here, guys. I'm going to draw my 7 containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those are my 7 containers. You don't know what's inside of each container, but you do know your total. What's your total? 27 pillows. So, again, guys, equal amount is a key word here. I got to divide the 27 pillows into the 7 containers. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to do 27 divided by 7. Put your multiples and get started. Can 7 go into 2? No. 7 times 0 is 0. Subtract, bring down the 2, bring down the 7. How much? 27. Can 28 go into 27, 21, 14, or 7? 21. How many times is that? That's 3. 7 times 3 is 21. We subtract, we're left with 6. Now, this is normally your answer up here, but they're not asking for how many equal groups you made. They're asking how many pillows are left. This down here, guys, is how many pillows are left. Okay? So when you talk about the remainder, when you talk about what's left, that's the answer that they want. You're going to have a problem like that in your independent work. Okay, so now we move on to the two-step with adding and subtracting. Let's see what's going on this one. So here it says, Linda bought 3 Cokes that were $1.59 each. She also bought a bag of chips for $2.29. How much did Linda spend? Okay, so remember, guys, the story when we go to the store? You purchase something, they ring it up, purchase something, they ring it up. What's happening to all those things that you're purchasing? Yeah, they're being added up, right? So here, I can start with what she bought first. She bought 3 Cokes, and each Coke was how much? $1.59. So I actually have $1.59, $1.59, and $1.59. This represents my Cokes. Now, you can do 2 things here. You can either add them up, 159 plus 159 plus 159, or I can do what else? Yeah, or I can multiply it, 159 times 3. They're both going to give you the same answer, okay? So I'm going to multiply it really quick for you, and I get $4.77. Now, am I done? Is the question asking how much did Linda spend on Cokes? No, they want to know how much she spent in total and everything. She also bought a bag of chips. Now, notice that it says a bag of chips. How many bags of chips is that? It's only 1. So I'm going to take my 477 and I'm going to add it with my chips to find my total. Notice that I lined up my decimals, guys, and now I'm going to go ahead and get started by adding on the far right side. I'm going to add 9 plus 7. I get 16. Carry the 1. Next one, 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. Bring down your decimal. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. How much total money did Linda spend on the Cokes and the chips? $7.06. I could also draw it, guys. I can draw my Cokes. 1, 2, 3. And each Coke was $1.59, right? And that's going to give you a total. And then you simply add it with your last total of $2.29. There's multiple ways of doing it. All right. So that is what you're going to see on your independent work. All right. This part is all on by yourself, guys. This part is going to be on your assignments in Teams. So make sure that once you finish it, make sure you log into Teams and you put in your answers so that you can get a grade for that day. Alrighty, guys. So this is going to be the end of today. Take your time when you're multiplying and you're dividing. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.